Tired of your Wikipedia edits being reverted because you forgot to add a citation? Learn to add citations in under 2 minutes. First, we'll access your Sandbox, write a sentence, then use the Add Citation tool to insert a proper reference. Let's go step by step. First, go ahead and click the Personal Settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like your profile icon. Then, click on Sandbox to open your personal Sandbox page. Now, if you've made previous edits, you'll see a Start a New Edit button. Click it. Click Insert Paragraph to add a new paragraph for your text. Type your sentence here. This is a practice example. Don't use fictional references. Then, click the Add a Citation button to open the Citation tool. In the citation box that appears, enter your source information, such as title, author, and publication date. Once you've entered the details, click Create to generate the citation. Finally, click Insert to add the citation into your paragraph, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.